Good evening, everyone. My name is Ian A. Paliones, and my topic is about revenue generating strategies. Revenue generating strategies are methods or approaches used by business to increase their income and generate more revenue. These strategies can include various tactics such as marketing campaigns, product diversification, pricing optimization, expanding into new markets, upselling or cross-selling to existing customers, and developing new revenue streams. Penetration. Market penetration refers to the strategy of selling more of an existing product or service to current markets. It involves increasing market share within existing market segments without changing the product itself. Product diversification. Diversification is a strategy that involves expanding a company's product range to include new products or services that are different from its existing offers. Thank you.